Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lama and this is Crayfix with Lama. So if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, share with your friends and family. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate the support this far. I know it's been a minute guys, but yeah, now I'm back. I hope to keep up with the consistency. So on today's video, we're going to do something I've been wanting to do for a long time, and we're going to do a fridge organization. So I'm really excited to show you how I just clean my fridge and all that. Then we're going to clean the fridge side, then the freezer side not so much. I'll just show you how it looks inside. Then yeah, maybe once I thaw it, maybe we can do a clean of that side as well. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you watch this video to the end. Be sure to like, comment, share some tips that you think I might need next time. So yeah, comment, let's engage on the comment section. Be sure to like, share with your friends and family. I really appreciate it guys. So let's get into the video. So guys, this is how my fridge looks like. Have some juice there. This is a banana bread I made, so I just wrapped it in foil, then yeah, kept it in the fridge so that it doesn't go bad. I made it a few days ago. Some few grapes that need to go. This is whipping cream. You can also use it as cooking cream. Yeah, so I've been trying my hand in baking, but I'm not that good. I've been trying, so yeah, that's why I have some baking stuff in the fridge. So yeah, I'll practice yeah until I get it. But yeah, I'm not good at baking. Then this is the dispenser. I don't know if you watched my Kamukunji haul video. This is the dispenser I bought at Carrefour. Yeah, so this is what I use for cold water because we like cold water in this house. So yeah, I'll link the video somewhere on top here or on the description box below. Be sure to check it out if you've not. So on the next rack, or is it aisle, I'm not sure, we have some more juice. I love this brand. The juices are really good. Let me just turn off. So on the next what do we call this, on the next rack, let's call it a rack, I have some juices. I really love this brand of juice, especially passion juice. Their passion juice is really good. And then we have some sauces, some yogurts, some, what do you call that, just a minute, some tonic water. I don't know if you can see it. Yes, then we have some more sauces. I also love these sauces. They're really good with fries, with, okay, almost everything. Sorry about that sound, it's the fridge making that noise, and I don't want to turn it off at the moment. I'll turn it off once we start cleaning. So yeah, this brand, I have almost all the sauces, all the types of sauces they make. I really love that. And then next here we have some marshmallows. These are my baby's marshmallows. Some chocolates. We have some more sauces and cheese. Some mayonnaise. We have some pineapples, some mozzarella cheese, and that's Gouda cheese. We have some drinks over here. I know the fridge is messed up. We just put everything. Wherever you find space is where you put it. Sorry about that sound again. Then we have this drink. We have some more cooking cream. I love cooking, so that's why I have a lot of those ingredients. We have some sweet corn, some remaining sweet corn from what I was using. I've used some, so this was remaining from the past time I was cooking. Then we have some beans, baked beans. I love baked beans. I'm the only one who eats them in my house, so normally we just get a few cans. So yeah, I eat half, then yeah, like that. We have some more mayonnaise over there, this one, there, yeah. Then we have some bread, some bread and some buttermilk, some lala, maziwa lala, as you can see. On the next shelf, we have some soda, another drink we really like in this house, and yeah, some cans of other drinks we like as well. Scones. Guys, do you put bread in your fridge? I did not used to put bread in the fridge before. I never used to put bread in the fridge before, but nowadays I do, and I noticed it remains fresh for a long time. So when I put it, when we're about to eat the bread, I remove it at least 5 minutes before. 5 to 10 minutes before we eat the bread. So yeah, normally it remains fresh for a while. So yeah, those are scones. They're also a favorite in this household. We have some beef brawn. Then remember this egg tray. We got it at Kamukunji. I have the video linked below or on top somewhere here. You'll get to see it. Let me just put that back. Then now on the veggie rack, we have some tomatoes, we have some carrots, we have some very ripe bananas. These I used to make the banana bread. Yes, the skin is black, but they're good inside. Yeah. Then we have some mangoes. I also need to make some juice with them, and below the mangoes we have some mint leaves. And last but not least, we have some watermelon on the lowest rack. Next, on the door shelves, we have some, this is a sauce. I had made some pineapple sauce for chicken wings. Yeah, as pineapple barbecue sauce. I'll share the recipe very soon. Then next here we have some salted caramel sauce. I also made this. I'll share the recipe soon as well. Be sure to follow my page, Lamas_kitchen on Instagram. That's where I share all my recipes. Then this is my pilipili ya kukaanga. It's almost done. I should make another fresh batch. The recipe is on my page, Lamas_kitchen on Instagram. It's really easy and it's long lasting. It should last you at least 2 to 3 weeks. It's very good and it goes well with food, yeah, with meals. Then as you can see, as you've noticed, I like mayonnaise, so I was trying out mayonnaise, different types of mayonnaise. I got the best one is the eggless mayonnaise, because I don't like the tangy taste most mayonnaise have. So the best one is the eggless one, or light mayonnaise from, I don't want to mention it, but anyway, okay, light mayonnaise, or let me show you the brand. Light mayonnaise from this brand. It's very good, very, very good. So that, or eggless mayonnaise from Zesta. Rhoda Wayua has shared that on her page, so I had to try it out and it worked out perfectly. Then some medicine, and yeah, So guys, I have to plug you on this drink. It's from Coolbag. I'm sure you've seen it on this YouTube streets. It's a very nice malt drink, very refreshing. I really loved it, especially when chilled. It really comes through. So, we'll get to show you more. Of course, some oyster sauce. You know, when you open oyster sauce, it's supposed to be in the fridge, right? Some teriyaki sauce, some more of the non-alcoholic beer. As you can see, there's a strawberry flavor. It's also very nice. I've not tried the ginger flavor, so I had to take it. So yeah, I want to try it very soon. I'll share my review. But I believe it's also nice, yeah? We have some drinks over here. Some wine, some grenadine syrup, and yeah, some more of the what do you call it, non-alcoholic beer. Yeah, so that's it. Let me show you now the freezer side. On the freezer side, it's quite simple and yeah, straight to the point. So on top here we have the ice cube maker and some more of the ice cube trays. This is also an ice cube maker. Then in this Nairobi heat, we've been taking a lot of ice lollies, ice pops. So yeah, that's why we have some here. I need to restock them. Then next I have some ice here. I normally do this. You put half a bottle of water, then lay it down. It becomes a block of ice. Then when you're going out, you just add normal temperature water. Then yeah, it will be cold throughout the day, mostly throughout the day. Yeah, then that's a hack. It really comes through. This is some cheese, I think. Some beef, small beef I had bought, some remainder. These are frozen chapatis from my leftovers. These are German sausages. Love these. Next we have some honey glazed ham. Some bones, beef bones for beef broth. Some more bones for beef broth. We have some veggies. These are kunde. I boiled and put them in the freezer. We love some kienyeji veggies. Then next we have some more German sausages. This is cow hump, beef hump, the nundu. It's also very nice. I have a nundu recipe on my page as well, Lama's_kitchen. You'll find it at any supermarket, any leading supermarket. Some pork sausages, the ones remaining. Some more German sausages. Some beef brawn, sorry. I know some of you are asking, hey, kwani huyu akulangi cereals? My friend, I am a Kenyan. Cereals is a must in my freezer. So I have some dengu, some more bones for beef broth. We really like beef broth. And some sweet maize. These ones are for cooking mokimo mostly, or githeri when I'm craving. Then next we have some mini bites. These are for my son, he really loves them. Then some more. All these are my son's. Chicken pops. These ones are chicken nuggets. We just deep fry them. He really likes them as a snack. We also have some chicken mini bites. Also, they are snacks for him. Then next, some more German sausage. You can tell we love these at this house. Yeah. And next is the beef ham, the one I had shown you before. So that's it for my freezer. There's nothing much to eat, just meats and veggies. Yeah, but I should restock soon, but for now this is okay for us. So let's get into cleaning the fridge.
A place where you can run free. Time does not exist. Take a chance when the road before us falls under our face. I can't hold on, I can't remain so strong. We have the same old bond, but everything is wrong. My love is gone, but I've been born. I can't make it on my own. When I'm alone, my love is gone.
So yeah, I'm going to show you a product I want.
My love is gone, but I've been born. I can't make it on my own. When I'm alone, my love is gone. My love is
Now I'm washing the containers where we put our fruits and vegetables. Once I wash them, then I'm going to dry them up, then wash the vegetables and fruits again, then dry them up and put them back. So the bananas, I think you'll see the bananas at some point. I removed them, they seemed funny, Yeah, so I didn't want them to spoil the rest. So here I'm wiping my mangoes and put it back. Then next I wash all my tomatoes, dry them up and put them back. So I had to throw away the bananas because I felt they were not so good. Yeah.
Don't be afraid of falling, 'cause you know we gon' fly. 'Cause we be on the top of. Cause we be on the top of. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, 'cause you know we gon' fly. 'Cause we be on the top.
So now I'm done with the inside of the fridge. We're going to use the Astonish clear water cleanser. It's good for stainless steel surfaces or appliances, so mostly I use it to clean the outside of my fridge, my cooker. Yeah, it leaves a shiny effect. It has a shiny effect on the appliances, so no fingerprints all over the fridge. And yeah, it does a really good job. It also has a nice mild scent, not too strong. So yeah, it's a very good product. I would highly recommend. So guys, that's it for our fridge organization. As you can see, this is how the fridge turned out. I think it looks pretty organized and clean. It also has a nice fresh scent. The only part I didn't show you is you have to put a small amount of baking soda or baking powder on a small bowl, then put inside the fridge. It deodorizes the fridge and enables it to have a nice fresh scent throughout, so there won't be some weird smells. Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Hoping to post another video very soon. Thank you so much, and be sure to like, don't forget to subscribe if you've not, share with your friends and family. Also leave us a comment. Also, this is the outside of the fridge. You can see how shiny it is. Yeah, so that's it for us, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good one. See you on the next one. Bye.